The producers and distributors of Tech AV audio-visual training aids welcome you to this, the third presentation in the Tungsten Inert gas welding series. In this video presentation, you will be shown how to prepare and set up your equipment for a typical TIG welding operation. The topics that will be covered in this program are pre-inspection of equipment, power source connections, preparation of the TIG torch, connection of shielding gas components, and basic power source setup. During the pre-inspection stage, the machine or power source must not be connected to the mains power. No machine may be operated with its protective covers removed, as this presents a serious electrical hazard. Panels or covers must never be removed other than for maintenance by a qualified person. All covers must be in place and all fasteners must be secure. Make sure that all ventilation slots and screens are clean and unobstructed, thus ensuring adequate cooling of the machine. Check the condition of the power supply cable along its entire length. There must be no damage to the outer insulation or to the connection points. The connecting plug must be in good condition and securely attached to the cable. Check that the plug connections are dry and in good condition. Next, we must inspect the welding leads. Welding leads, like the power lead, must be electrically safe. The insulation must not be damaged and all connecting devices must be in good condition. Lugs, where used, must be firmly crimped or soldered. Pin connectors, where used, should also be properly attached to the cable, and the insulation surrounding the end must not be wet or damaged. Ground clamps must be in good condition and securely attached to the cable. Returning to the power source, check the welding lead connecting terminals. In this example, these are stud-type connectors. Make sure that these are secure, in good condition, and that the lug nut runs easily and freely onto the threads. With pin-type connections, make sure that the pin sockets are in good condition and secure within the panel. Next, we inspect the control panel. All switches, control dials, and control levers should be secure on the panel and function smoothly. Make sure that each control is clearly labeled. Unclear labeling can lead to mistakes and accidents. Where instructional information, such as a specific warning, is given, take the time to read and understand the information. If the shielding gas cylinder is carried on the machine's base frame, then make sure that the cylinder is properly positioned and secured to the frame.